Everybody knows that Halloween is a pagan holiday, right? Yeah, maybe not. Hi, my name is Gail Neal, and this is Jesus Stories, where we find out about Christian history and about heroes of the faith. First of all, where do we get the word Halloween? The Old English word for holy was hallow. In the Lord's Prayer, almost all English Bibles to this day translate the Greek word agiazw as hallowed. Hallows Evening or Hallows Eve was the evening of the holy, and those holy were the saints that were remembered on All Saints' Day. Our word Halloween or Hallows Eve is the night before All Saints' Day. Without All Saints' Day, there is no Halloween. So what is All Saints' Day and where did it come from? Being a Christian was dangerous in the early days. Many people called martyrs were executed for their faith. Early Christians honored those martyrs on the anniversary of their deaths. But so many Christians were martyred during the persecution under the Roman Empire that local churches started holding common feasts to ensure that all the martyrs were properly honored. To tie the celebration of those who gave their lives for Jesus with his resurrection, the early church held the Martyrs' Feast during the Easter season. The Eastern Orthodox Church still celebrates All Saints' Day on the first Sunday after Pentecost. But All Saints' Day got moved around a bit in the Western Church. In 609 AD, Pope Boniface IV consecrated the Pantheon Temple in Rome in honor of the Virgin Mary and all the martyrs. He also ordered that all martyrs be honored on May 13th. On November 1st, 731 AD, Pope Gregory III dedicated an oratory to the relics of the holy apostles and of all saints, martyrs, and confessors, of all the just made perfect who are at rest throughout the world. And so November 1st became All Saints' Day in Rome in 731 AD. The church in Ireland, however, still chose to stick with the original Easter season celebration. While the Holy Roman Empire celebrated on November 1st, the Irish Church celebrated All Saints' Day on April 20th. The Irish Christians were trying to avoid associating All Saints' Day with the traditional harvest festivals and the pagan feast known as Samhain. All for naught. In the year 835, Emperor Louis the Pious, at the instance of Pope Gregory IV, decreed the November 1st date throughout the Holy Roman Empire. Pope Gregory probably never even heard of Samhain, so he had no problem with the conflicting dates. The November 1st date stuck and has been inextricably linked to Samhain among English-speaking Christians ever since. So just what is Samhain? And why was the Irish Church trying so hard to avoid the association? We'll talk about that next time. Thanks so much for watching Jesus Stories. This channel is all about Christian history and about heroes of the faith, because so much of who we are is because of who they were. If you learned something, please give this video a like and subscribe. And as always, please comment down below. Let me know what things you'd like to hear me talk about. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.